Recording.
Z. Enemy 0. Use pet. It's not very effective. Geodude use tackle. Freeze Z. Tackle. Z. Enemy 0. Use prowl. Z. Geodude. Attack fell. Z. Geodude. Use tackle. 3/14. Enemy health. 1 of 6. Fight. Z. Tackle. Z. Enemy 0 use prowl. Geodude's attack fell. Z. Geodude. Use tackle. Z. 3/14. Enemy health. 0 of 6. Fight. Z. Tackle. Z. Enemy 0 use pet. It's not very effective. Z. Geodude use tackle. 2/14. Enemy health. 0 of 6. Fight. Z. Tackle. Z. Enemy 0. Use pet. It's not very effective. Z. Geodude use tackle. The time is 11:35. Enemy 0. Fainted. Z. Chikorita gained 80 XP points. Z. Geodude gained 80 XP points. Z. Route 29. Start cave violet entrance. 16 of 9 right. Wild 0 appeared. Z. Go, Chikorita. 6/32 enemy health. 6 of 6, fight. Z. Tackle. Z. Chikorita use tackle. Enemy 0. Use pet. It's super effective. Z. 1/32. Enemy health. 0 of 6. Fight. Z. Tackle. Z. Chikorita use tackle. Enemy 0. Fainted. Z. Chikorita. Gym guy. 2 of 3 right facing down. Youngster. Falconer. Side post 2. 2 of Falconer. 14 of 1 right. 5 of 2 right. 2 up. 2 up. 2 right. Let me see if you are good enough to. Z. Z. 88,888,888. Bird Keeper 8 wants to battle. Z. Bird Keeper 8 sent out. Z. Spiro. Sent out Spiro. Sent out Spiro. Go, Chikorita. 32/34. Enemy health. 6 of 6. Fight. Z. Tackle. Z. Chikorita. Use tackle. Enemy Z. It's super effective. Z. 21/34. Enemy health. 4 of 6. Fight. Z. Tackle. Z. Chikorita use tackle. Enemy 0. Use pet. A critical hit.
Damn you! Abe!
Z. It's super effective. Z. 4/34 enemy health. 2 of 6. Fight. 5. Z. Chikorita 4/34. Pidgey 0/16. Rattata 11/17. Z. 3. Switch. Z.
Might be a stupid move, but
Okay. Come back. Switch. Rattata. Enemy Spearow used Peck. Rattata fainted. Z.
guess my Rattata isn't in the top level of all Rattatas.
14/14. Z. Chikorita 4/34. Z.
Get that Rattata trainer douche
Z.
the
Peck.
bitch in the game.
Enemy Spearow used Peck. Spearow fainted. Z. Spearow 0/14. Geodude 14/14. Z. Chikorita
Used to got my rock type. Geodude.
0/16 FNT 3 Rattata 0. Z. Tackle. Z. Enemy Spearow used Peck.
Damn you!
It's not very effective.
At least it wasn't effective.
Geodude used tackle.
As effective as my tackle!
14 enemy health. 2 of 6. Fight. Z. Tackle. Z. Enemy Spearow used Peck. It's not very effective. Z. Geodude used tackle.
And
4/14. Enemy health. 1 of 6. Fight. Z. Tackle. Z. Enemy Spearow used Peck.
your Geodude's fucked, Abe.
A critical hit. Z. It's not very effective. Z. 12 PM. Geodude fainted.
Oh, my Geodude's fucked.
Z.
I was about to say your Spearow's fucked.
0/14.
Uh-oh.
Caterpie 4/16. Z. Chikorita 4/.
This is gonna be the worst move ever. I'm gonna use Caterpie against a bird.
Tackle.
Spoiler alert, it isn't gonna end well.
Use Peck. It's super effective. Z. Caterpie fainted.
Fuck.
Z. Caterpie 0/16. Z. There's no will to battle.
Fuck. Then I'm gonna have to use one of my injured Pokemon.
Caterpie 0/16.
Suck.
Cancel.
It isn't gonna end well.
Geodude 0, Spearow 0, Rattata 0, Pidgey 0/ Chikorita 4/34. Z. Chikorita 4/34. 12 Pidgey 0/16.
Though I did manage to beat Abe, even with this injured Chikorita.
Chikorita used tackle.
Should be too surprising considering that it is my highest level Pokemon so far. Yeah, yes!
Z.
That enemy Spearow's dead as shit!
Points.
Better than a doornail! Better than Marley!
Bird Keeper Abe was defeated. Z. This can't be true. Z. Chris got yet 216. For winning. Z. For winning. Send some to mom. Z. 2 right, 2 up, 3 left, 2 up, 1 right, 4 up, 1. 2 right, 2 up, 3.
It's 8:45. Show capture device select mute. Show capture stop recording button.